Hi, everyone, and welcome. My name is Tracy McPhee. I'm the coordinating instructor for our post-diploma business programs at NBCC, and I'm currently an instructor of HR management at our St. John campus. We want to thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to tell you a bit more about our program. The HR management program is one of our two post-diploma business programs at NBCC. This is a diploma of advanced studies, and it's targeted to individuals who already have a degree or diploma or relevant work experience who are seeking future professional roles in human resources. The program is 1 year in length, beginning in September and running through June, and includes a 5-week work practicum, which we will speak about further in the presentation. HRM is one of our live programs, meaning that you'll be required to have a laptop or notebook computer as part of the learning experience. And our blended delivery approach will have you working in the classroom as well as on projects independently and in groups outside of the classroom. The program is currently offered on both our Moncton and St. John campuses. You might be asking, what does a certificate in HR management prepare you for? Our program is targeted at individuals who aspire to plan, advise, coach, and develop employees. HR is a critical function in every organization, and it's truly a career where you will be making a difference. Graduates of our program are employed in a wide range of private and public sector industries, and job prospects for HR professionals in New Brunswick are good. Starting salaries for HR roles in the province are in the range of $50,000, and as professionals gain experience and move into leadership roles, salaries increase to the $80,000 and above range. The HR management program curriculum has been designed to prepare you for work within an organization's HR function by providing in-depth knowledge of human resource management practices and procedures. This slide offers a preview of the required courses that our HR students participate in. Some of these courses are covered over a half term, so approximately 7 to 8 weeks, while others span the full 4-month term. Students are provided detailed instruction and practical exercises relative to each course. At NBCC, we do have a prior learning assessment process. Therefore, if you are coming to us with a previously completed diploma or degree and have similar courses with closely aligned competencies, we do have a process where you can apply for credit for these courses. In addition to traditional academic courses, an exciting component of our program is the work that we do with industry partners. Throughout the year, students will work on HR industry projects focused on the analysis of real-life HR scenarios and making recommendations to employers on strategies to address. The final component of the HR program is a work practicum designed to allow students to apply their theoretical knowledge in an HR generalist role in the workplace. Work practicums span a 5-week period in the May-June timeframe. This slide provides a brief preview into what a typical day in the HR management program looks like for our students. Classes typically span a 6 to 8 hour day between 8:30 and 4:30. Now, having said that, some of this is traditional class time where other blocks are focused on independent study and or group project work. In 2018, NBCC was very pleased to sign an accreditation agreement with the New Brunswick chapter of the Chartered Professionals in HR Association. This agreement provides our successful HRM graduates with the opportunity to acquire nationally recognized external certification. NBCC graduates who achieve an overall cumulative average of 70% in all of our courses will be eligible to waive the National Knowledge Exam, which is the first step in the process of obtaining a CPHR designation. For more information on this pathway, I would encourage you to visit the CPHRNB website, and the link is included on this slide. So, after all of this information, why should you choose the HR management program at NBCC? Whether you're coming to us directly from a university program or after several years of professional experience, our program at NBCC is designed to provide the theoretical and practical knowledge you need to pursue your career in HR. Our practical learning approach, in addition to the industry partnerships that you will be exposed to, will allow you to practice your skills in a safe, supportive, and collaborative learning environment. For more details on any of the information that we've covered today, I would encourage you to visit our website at www.nbcc.ca. Once you maneuver to our HR management program site, you will have the opportunity to apply directly from there. The site also offers a little bit more information for both domestic and international students on tuitions and fees or any other information you're looking for. And if you would like to book a one-on-one appointment with one of our recruitment advisors, you can do so directly from this site. I appreciate your time today, and I look forward to having some of you in my classroom soon. Have a great day.